can't get you out of my head. You've been in my bed.
What's up, YouTube? It is Kedra, and I am back with another YouTube video. So today I'm going to be combing my niece's hair, and I will be using sulfate-free Power Stick shampoo as well as Dove's conditioner for itchy and dry scalp. And my niece does have dandruff sometimes, but it's rarely. And what it is that she has eczema in her scalp, so I try to use sulfate-free products, just so that it won't dry out her hair or scalp any more than it needs to be. So I didn't use the Dove shampoo, but maybe for another time when she gets older. What I start by doing is I take the ends and I comb them, and then I comb to the roots, as you should with any hair. If you have really thick hair, it'll make your hair, a better grade if you are combing correctly. Once you get those follicles combed correctly, then you'll be good to go. Look at her wiping her face, y'all. But I'm so proud of my niece. She used to hate getting her hair done completely. So what I have learned to do is distract her. Whenever I'm doing her hair, I'll put on some YouTube Kids or something like that. Get her in the flow. And usually I want to get her seeing a baby getting their hair done. Just because if she sees a baby, she's like, oh, that's a big girl. But, just distract her. Get her hair done. And right now what I'm doing is I am making a side part. I was going to do two buns, but then everything got out of control. Give me my gloves. Everything got out of control, and so we ended up just doing one ponytail in the end. But right now I'm just, doing the part as precise as I can. She moves a lot, so I sometimes have the part over and over and over and over.
No sides with me. I know you liking me. I like you too. Don't try to fool me.
Y'all, yes, she is eating a conditioner. I usually just give her like a bottle or something and I close it to keep her distracted, as I said. I rubbed castor oil in her hair before, and now I'm just putting some edge control on her edges to lay them down because I don't want to brush her hair too hard or anything. I hate brushing baby's hair hard. So what I want to do is just get something that could slick it down as smooth as possible while keeping her edges intact, because I don't want to pull out her hair. What I want to do is just make sure that it's laying down and slick. So right now I'm just rubbing the edge control through wherever the cholesterol is. Look at her, she's throwing a fit right now. I had to cut it out, guys, but yeah, she was throwing a little tantrum real quick. And I mean, they're gonna throw their little tantrums, but the real thing is, are you able to stop it? She is like, I am about to go. And here's the part where I was talking about as well. I was parting it because I was gonna do two ponytails, but now it's a slick back bun, so she wasn't acting right while I was parting. But even if so, you could always give them snacks. But we were just in the bathroom, so I did not want to give her snacks. Um, so instead of snacks, I just decided to change up the style a little bit. I'm sorry, guys. I know it's difficult. Look at her; she's feeling herself already. But she has about 4C hair. It's real thick. It will shrivel up real quick. This is me noticing after a full conversation that I am not liking her hair and that I wanted to switch it around because I did two buns at first. One was crooked, first of all, and it was way smaller than the other. And second of all, I still wanted my side part ponytail because we were going to be twinning this day.
You know I think about you all day. You know I dream about you in the time.
Guys, no, I am not saying that this is a tutorial to let your baby watch. I mean, they could watch it for sure, but she hates getting her hair done, guys. So you do see her leaning on me. I just try to give her as much loving as I can, cause I know she hates getting her hair done. So throughout the process, I just try to give her hugs, let her play with things, cause I mean, what baby likes getting their hair done? Let's be real, just the really good ones, really really good ones, on a really really great day. And what I'm doing right here is just putting some more edge control at the sides and the back. Because as I said, her hair does stick up really bad. And I don't want to brush her hair too hard to try to mold it into the ponytail. What I'm trying to do is just slick it down. I do have a little soft brush as well because baby's hair is more likely to come up off of their scalp if you are brushing hard. So just make sure to have the light and nice strokes. Um, but yeah, I'm just brushing it up and just making sure that her edges are laid in the way that I want to lay them when I get the comb, because I usually after brushing get the comb and just lay her edges however I want them to be, or I will just form them into swirls instead, because she does not like to cooperate sometimes with her edges. So sometimes I have to use the brush as well. And I want to get the comb as well, and I want to comb her ponytail out, like fluff it a little bit, and I'm just laying the edges as much as I can because she does move a lot, as I said. And now what I'm doing is just brushing her hair around, and I'm going to spray it with some mega growth oil. Just because with edge control, you don't want the hair to dry out. You want to keep it as moisturized as possible. So I do mega growth after for that finishing lock of moisture. Go show that. Go show that. Go show that. And this is the final product. She was crying, so I didn't want to show too much. She was looking a mess, but this is the final product. And those edges are slayed, baby, even though I didn't get to slay them as much as I wanted to. And no, this is not no sponsor, but she just took a bath too. Sleepy time. Just talk about it. Get it at your local store. And guys, I am back. I actually wanted to show you the products I use. I use Power Stick, Pure Sulfate Free Shampoo, Dove Dermacare Scalp Conditioner, Olive Miracle Magical Growth Sheen, as well as cholesterol in her hair. Baby, last but not least, you gotta have that true edge. And thank y'all so much for watching. I love you guys.